Hello everyone, this is CrazyCowMM here, and welcome to Hyper Light Drifter once again, yay! So, in the last episode, which I ended without doing my outro because but I decided that I was long enough for an episode, so, yeah. And I got the thing, and because I got an upgrade, not because of health or anything, but because I have an upgrade that does the, like, super fast jumpiness. Really cool, really helpful. Has a recharge, but it doesn't really matter that much. So, yay. Now we have to go into Lost Frogs Arena. Actually, no, we don't. We're not doing that. We're not ready. So, what we can actually do is, now that we finished this, now that we've finished all 4 of the things, the side is actually complete. So why do I care about the boss? Out. Peace. So we're gonna do the other side, one of the other sides. We're not gonna do the west side because I have a different profile. If you saw my other profile, that I'm on the west side right now. I have a feeling that the north is going to be snowy. Because it's north. Hey dear, die. And it's so cool if I got it. Like, absolute bossness. I'm like, why are you little grassies? Yeah, can't destroy him though, so use this. Oh my gosh, huge 5 stairs. Just build elevators. Oh, I feel like we're going up high. That's where it's gonna start getting snowy. Okay, yeah, this little... Ugh, it looks colder already. I don't know why, but it just does. Oh no, the staircase. That's a okay, dude guy. Oh, okay, that's the only picture you got? That's the boss, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Why is there absolutely nothing here? Oh, there's stairs behind that tree. Wait, what? Oh. Oh no. You got your tuberculosis again. It's kind of like it, I guess. You know, coughing out blood again. We'll say it's a little better. What are these key things? Anyway, for a second I thought that. Whoa! What are you? You guys enemies? Yes, you are. Can't hit them like that. Can only hit them when they're flying at me, or shoot them. Or I could just shoot them. See, I don't like you, game. Get wrecked. I start to see snow. Hear the wind too. Oh, chilly. Chilly Willy. Okay, what's this direction? Oops. We need to get all the secrets. Okay. There are a lot of you dudes here. Out of here. What have we got down here? Say. Ooh, darkness. What's that noise? Monk. 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 Huh. Curious. Alright. I assume that means they're like taking down the mountain or something. Probably take my references too seriously. Woohoo! That can't get over there. Okay, that means there's another way. Wait. Nope. Definitely cannot get over there. Alright, then what was the point of this place? Useless. Woo! I love that look when I fall. It's cool. Coolio. Alright, what do you... Okay, there's a staircase here, or we could go this way. Oh, the music's getting loud. Oh no, I can't go this way. Oh, that was a cliff. I thought that... Okay, music. Music, you really can't be that loud. I can't. That didn't change it, did it? No, it did, okay. Let's see, that's good. Okay, we're good. Ooh, something tells me this is gonna be really pretty. Oh, that looks beautiful. Already. Okay, where do I go now? I never see those wall things. Bam! Looks cool when I do this. Let's go this way. Another medkit. And a broken staircase that ends in a big white hole. That's why I'm gonna be failing at this, because all the cliffs are big white holes, which you don't expect to be cliffs. Oh Jesus! Huh. I didn't see you coming. Okay. Interesting. Ending staircase. Freak. Oh Jesus. And progressively smaller platforms. Oh, I heard that. Okay, I've seen you guys before. I know you haven't, but I have. Because they're at the, west. That's west, right? Better be or I'm screwed. It's a nice little zone. I think I went the way I was supposed to go and not the secret. I thought I was taking a secret way, and but it turned out I went the way I went. I was supposed to go, so whatever. Oh, why? I just use that. It's a doof. Ooh, bee. Oh, you're big. Big bird. Doo-doo-doo. Ooh, boy. Okay, I don't really understand what you just did, but... whatever. Take your word for it, whatever your word was. I love secrets. What are these things? No idea. Love currency. Love the currency. Okay, this looks like this one was one huge secret after all. Woo. Like, absolutely huge. Oh wait. No, that was the secret part. Okay. Can I drop down and land where I was? Dang it! I want to be all cool and just like, woo! Okay, let's go back there. Even because I'm absolutely wonderful at traversing these small platforms. Oh, Jesus. And, oh, we can't actually get over there. Okay. Well, that explains that. Wait, can I shoot them over there, though? Oh, it doesn't actually have. Okay. Alright, alright. I like the things in the mountains. Don't know what they are, but it looks kind of cool. Looks tech. It's techy blended with mountain landscape. love hopping across gaps. I love hopping across gaps in. Not that dog again. Who is that thing? Like what? What even? What's happening up here? Oh, that guy's wrecking everyone. Of course he is. Why are you so everywhere and so good at wrecking people? I can't use my sword around him, can I? Nope. Shame. Purple isn't good, is it? I didn't think purple was good. That's not good then. Oh, lots of purple. Not very happy about that. Not very happy about the amount of purple we got going here. But whatever. I'll take it. I want secrets. I like secrets. Secrets. Destroy. You got 2 health now. Well, you just got wrecked. Doesn't matter if you had 2 health or not. I don't even know what your attack was. Oh. Wow. Stop that. Yeah! A coin! Bing! I need to upgrade my sword. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not happy with your presence here. By the way, Sir Magicians. I'm gonna have to face a lot of those, aren't I? Oh, good God. Ooh, it's really snowy up here. Go. I don't know how those trees are surviving. I like the flags, though. It's almost like Skyrim. Don't you dare do that to me. Get wrecked. Oh, good God. Oh, Jesus. There's so many of them. I love the sound of wind in games. Don't know why. It's just appreciative. Don't do that, please. Thank you. Get wrecked. Can be swamped. Oh, yep, swamped. Being swamped, being swamped, being swamped. Ah, you can't get me down here, can you? You almost fell, didn't you? Huh? Can't shoot through bushes. I wrecked your friends and family. Whoa! Don't do that, please. I'd like to get my muns. Hey. There we go. Oh, shoot. Ha 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 ha. You people suck. Like actual... You think I'm gonna miss that? I don't know why you're giving me so many medkits though. I mean, these guys are hard, but if you strategize... Let's jump! I mean, it's kind of chill anyway, but... Oh, come on. I was hoping for secrets. You suck. Good God. You're evil, right? Yep, you're evil. Yeah, you're evil. Yeah, you're evil. Yeah, you're evil. Get wrecked. Oh, those are like those big grass guys, aren't they? Oh, shoot. Ow! People suck. Can you go up, please? Thank you. Get wrecked. No, move. Ah, go. Oh no, there's another one. Don't help resistance, please. I'd prefer it if your resistance killed me. Yeah. You suck. Ah, where'd you come from? Oh, Jesus. Okay, get wrecked. Hey, oh. For a second I was like, hey, we're freed. Oh, hello. Get wrecked. Okay, finally. It proves that I just defeated a mini boss level. Okay, and they're connected. Yay! Teleporter! Oh, jeez. Boss is really close on this one. Warp here anytime using the map. Why is the boss so close? There's like absolutely no secrets. It's like cut straight to the boss. Okay, we got another elevator. It's different. Oh, I didn't even realize that. That is creepy as heck. Just like not noticing it, just like chillaxing, and then it's like, oh, I can see my mouse now. That's helpful. I'm sorry if that's annoying for you, but actually allows it so I can actually see my freaking cursor. Okay, let's do the teleporter. Elevator first. Because why not? Meow. Like hacking your elevators. You know, I just kind of realized. The thing kind of looks like a spigot. Almost. Oh, hello. Why are you, like, practicing? You're weird. You're a very strange person. Hello. Hi. Oh, you can get here. It's like, you can't get here. Oh, never mind, you can. Boop. Boop. Okay. Lazy scrub. Whoa. Oh, no. Not happy about that. He's like, use this. I'm like, it's blocked off, sir. Oh, forget, these are actually moving up and down. Oh, shoot. Aim is stupid. Good. I like that it doesn't actually take anything from me when I die. I did it. I feel cool now. Oh, Jesus, not that thing. Does not help me anyway, so. Oh. Ow. Oh good god. Oh good god. Oh shoot. Goodbye. I'm out. I'm out. Peace out, you suckers. This guy's out of here. Not happy those little. Jesus Christ. Whoa. I did not want to go back here, but whatever. It's still locked. Gosh dang it. Actually, you guys are pretty easy to kill. I'm not fearing about right now. I feel like these blocks are going to activate real soon, and it's not going to be pleasant victory. It's not going to be a pleasant day for me. Ah, come on. Ow. Hee hee. Oh, come on. Out of here. Oh, that's a wall there. I'm a derp. I really am a professional derp. Yeah, all these blocks are going to activate as soon as I activate that switch. Oh. Well, you're useless. Actually, you're really good, but... anyone else want to spawn? Yep, apparently. Or maybe not. Nope, apparently not. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, shoot. Oh, dear God. Ow. Please don't make me have to redo that. Oh God, I need to time it so I can get through both. Wait, no, I jumped backwards. I was saying. Ugh. I'm gonna end that episode there. I hope you enjoyed. Peace out.